Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the exact account and subscription channel so you can cancel the correct service. Open the Lose It app or website and sign in. If you used Apple or Google billing, make sure you know which store you used. Once done, check the email associated with the account for receipts or subscription identifiers so you can match charges. These details speed up the cancellation and prevent accidental loss of an unrelated subscription. Next, you take the action appropriate to where you subscribed. If you subscribed an app on Lose It Web, go to Account or Settings and follow Manage Subscription to cancel. Confirm prompts. If you used Apple, open iOS Settings, tap your Apple ID, Subscriptions, find Lose It, and cancel there. If you used Google Play, open Play Store, Subscriptions, select Lose It, and cancel. Make sure to read any prompts about access until the period ends so you know what changes. Finally, confirm cancellation by checking for an email confirmation or an updated subscription status in the app or store. If you still see charges after cancellation, contact the billing platform Apple or Google first and then your bank if necessary. Explain you canceled and provide screenshots. If the app still shows premium access, sign out, reinstall, and check the account page to refresh status. This ensures the cancellation is processed and gives you evidence if
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.